Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Acura in Grapevine, Texas, and today let's go for a drive in this 2024 Acura TLX Type S. I have a video on the 2025 TLX Type S which you can check out. I posted on the first of the year, but this is the first time I've got my hands on a 24. 24 was the first model year of the facelift TLX. So in 24 it basically gave the full digital gauge cluster, bigger screen like you would find in the MDX. You get a little bit, the true touchpad interface was revised a little bit, ambient lighting. You also get Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You have ambient lighting in the main screen is what I meant. TLX Type S has 355 horsepower, 354 pound-feet of torque with a 3-liter turbo V6, 10-speed automatic transmission with faster gear shifts than a regular TLX. You also have the exhaust gets a little bit louder when you put it in Sport and Sport Plus mode, ventilated and heated front seats. In 2024, they gave the wedge shape on the key. You get the red accent color on the Type S keys. You have engine remote start as well, wireless charging tray. This is the ebony interior with the ultra suede, and you also have red stitching, plus it also says Type S on the headrest. Let's walk around this vehicle. This one is finished in urban gray pearl. You also have black wheels. The NSX style wheels are available as an accessory on the 25 models, but all of them come with the black wheels. Urban gray was first offered on the 24 model year. Quad outlet exhausts, July LED headlights, chicane daytime running lights, which are off right now for some reason. And here's the back of the vehicle. But let's get this car out on the road and see how it drives. It's going to drive the same as the 25. The TLX Type S is a nice car to drive. You also have a head-up display in the 24, which the 2021 to 2023 models did not have. So that's a big update that a lot of people wanted. The engine in these, the engine sounds so good. I wish the MDX Type S had the same exhaust note as the TLX Type S does, but it doesn't, even though they share the same engine and same powertrain. I think the TLX Type S sounds really good. I mean, the TLX Type S, it's a amazing daily driver, right? It gives you the good blend of performance, comfort, and everything like that. This is not something you should compare to like an M3, but it should be compared to an M340i. And what I like about the TLX Type S is its nice styling. It has very aggressive styling. It stands out, especially in this urban gray color. It has good features. Seats feel really comfortable. And like, I think Acura did good with the updates in 2024, which were well needed, like the bigger screen, gauge cluster, and all that. You put your foot down, the car will get up and go. That's for sure. Handling is really good on these cars. As I mentioned in my other TLX Type S videos, I've driven this car very extensively, all the model years, right? Or more so the 21 and 22s, 23 model year. But I took it for really long drives, and the handling is very impressive. But it is a very enjoyable car to drive. I think in its segment, the handling is one of the best for sure. You can go around curves with a lot of confidence with this vehicle. Feels very planted, very responsive and everything like that. Feels great overall. Yeah, honestly, like the criticisms this car gets, I don't really, at the end of the day, I feel like a lot of people compare it to vehicles which are way out of its class. And I think especially, and like, I think for what it is, it's a great car, right? That's just my personal opinion, of course. Especially in the used market, you can get it, you know, in the 50K, gently used in like the 50K range or 40K range. And at that point, it's a good value for sure. Acura obviously has a good reputation for reliability, so you can have that peace of mind. I see people using this car in all kinds of weather, snow, sunny weather, everything, the rain, and the super handling all-wheel drive does a great job. But yeah, so the biggest updates, as I mentioned, on the 24 model year is the head-up display, big screen, digital gauge cluster, and those are like honestly the biggest updates in the interior, and wireless Apple CarPlay. The previous one had wired, which a lot of people didn't appreciate and wanted wireless, so it's good that this vehicle includes that. And the 2024 and 2025 TLX Type S's are hard to get. Production was decreased on the TLX in general, not just the Type S. So it's really hard to find them, especially one like this, urban gray. This is a certified pre-owned model, especially one in urban gray pearl. Pretty hard to find. A lot of people say that they've been looking for months for one and they can't find it. So if you're looking for a TLX Type S 24-25, when you see one, you should definitely jump on it. But it's a really nice car. I mean, and you can also put it in like the comfort and normal modes and regular sport mode if you want to just have a more chill driving experience. Like after a long day at work, you just want to have a normal drive, you can do that. But you can put it back into Sport Plus and get a little bit of extra pep. And honestly, this car would be really fun to carve up some canyon roads with, that's for sure. And it does 0 to 60 in the high 4-second range, probably 4.8 seconds or something like that, just to be realistic. Seems like there's a lot of traffic today. And I really like the steering wheel. I like the gripping points at the 9 and 3. I love the flat bottom as well. But anyways, that is about it. Thank you for watching another video of Droove Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubb's family dealerships and Grubb's Acura in the description below if you'd like to shop for nice Acuras like this TLX Type S.